Let me show you how to modify this beautiful progress slide. Here I have added the beautiful animation. You can just click on the text box and you can add your text here very easily. You can change it from here, or you can change the text from here very easily. You may write anything that you want, and here you can also edit this text. And I have added various type of animation here. If you want to change it, you can easily change the animation from the animation pane, and you can add your own text here. So if you want to download this beautiful slide, just go through the description and I will give the link of this beautiful animation. If you want to download the zip file, the password will be 54321. I am saying it again, 54321. So if you want to be an expert, subscribe our channel. Thank you.